Dear student, welcome back again in our today's session. So as you can see that today I am going to discuss about on the very important topic review of literature. In this lecture, we will discuss about the concept of review literature and the importance of review literature. So without further ado, let's start our today's topic. So first we will understand the concept of review of literature. Basically, a literature review is a comprehensive summary of previous research on a topic. The review should enumerate or describe, summarize, objectively evaluate, and clarify the previous research. It should give a theoretical base for the research and help you, that means the author, to determine the nature of your research. A literature review discusses and a published information in a particular subject area. And sometimes information in a particular subject area within a certain time period. A literature review can be just a simple summary of the source, but it is usually has an organizational pattern and combines both summary and synthesis. The literature review is a written overview of a major writing and other sources on a selected topic. Sources covered in the review may include the scholarly journal articles, books, government reports, website, etc. The literature review provides a description, summary, and evaluation of each source. So, in simple terms, we can understand about the review of literature. Basically, a literature review is a comprehensive and critical analysis of the existing body of research related to a specific topic or research question. It involves a systematically gathering, evaluating, and synthesizing the scholarly sources, such as a book, journals, articles, and reports, to provide a coherent overview of what is already known about the subject. The primary purpose of a literature review is to establish the current state of knowledge in the field, identifying the key theories, methodologies, and the findings from previous studies. This process not only help and not only helps to frame a contextualize the research within the broader academic dialogue, but also highlights the gaps in the literature that may warrant a further investigation. By critically assessing the strengths and weaknesses of existing research, a literature review ensures that the new research is built on a solid foundation, contributing a original insight and advancing the field. So ultimately, a well constructed and well conducted review demonstrates the researcher's depth of understanding and establishes the relevance and necessity of the new study. So overall, we can say that about the literature review. A literature review is a comprehensive summary of previous research on a specific topic. So after discussing about the concept of literature review, now let's understand the purpose and significance of literature review. What are the purpose of literature review? Why we do literature review? So basically, we have mentioned a few points under the topic purpose and significance of literature review. So as you can see that the first one is establishes context. A literature review stimulates your research within the existing body of knowledge by summarizing and analyzing what has already been studied. It provides a framework for your own research. It helps you to understand the broader context of your research topic. So, in simple terms, we can say that a literature review plays a very essential, very crucial role in situating your research within the existing body of your knowledge. By summarizing and analyzing what has already been studied, it provides a comprehensive and deep insight about your topic. And this context is essential for placing your study within the larger academic dialogue, allowing you to see how your work builds and upon on the diverse from the previous research. It helps to clarify the background and the significance of your study by demonstrating the development of ideas and new theories and the current state of the knowledge in the field. Understanding this context ensures that your research is relevant and contributes the meaningfully to ongoing scholarly conversation. Now, the next one is identifying gaps. One of the most important purpose of the literature review is to identify the gaps in existing research. By examining the previous studies, researchers can pinpoint areas that have been unexplored or not addressed at all. This process of gap identification is a vital because it highlights the opportunities for a new research that can address these overlooked areas. Recognizing these gaps helps in framing the research questions that are both original and significant, ensuring that your study contributes the novel insight into the field. It prevents the any kind of issues and directs the attention to the pressing the issues or unexplored phenomena that require further investigation. Now, the next one is avoid duplications. So, conducting a thorough literature review is essential to avoid the duplicating work that has already been done. This is very essential for maintaining the originality of your research and ensuring that it adds the value to the existing body of knowledge rather than the merely repeating previous studies. By reviewing what has already been published, you can ensure that your research addresses a new questions or approaches exiting the questions from a different perspectives. So this helps building upon the foundation laid by previous research, thereby advancing the knowledge without any kind of errors. It also maximizes the efficient use of resources by focusing on the areas that have not been sufficiently explored. Now, the next one is build a knowledge base. Literature review contributes significantly to the accumulation and consolidation of knowledge in a given field. By synthesizing findings from multiple studies, a literature review provides a comprehensive understanding of the topic. This synthesis not only integrates diverse perspectives and results but also highlights the overall trends, pattern, consequences in the literature. Building a robust knowledge base through a literature review helps the researcher and investigator grasp the state of current research, understand the established theories, and appreciate the complexities of the topic. It serves as the foundation upon which new research can be constructed, enriched by the accumulated knowledge. Now, next one is guide research questions. If we talk about the guides research question, that means the insight gained from a literature review can help in refining research questions and hypotheses. It ensures that the research questions are relevant and significant. In simple terms, we can say that the insight gained from a literature review are instrumental in refining research questions and hypotheses. By reviewing the existing studies, researchers can better define and focus their research questions, ensuring that they are relevant and significant. This kind of process helps in aligning your research objectives with identified gaps and emerging traits in the literature review. And well crafted research questions informed by through a literature review are more likely to address important issues and contribute the valuable insight. This refinement ensures that your research is not only original but also meaningful and impactful. Now, the last one is informs methodologies. So, basically, a literature review is also very essential for informing the methodology of your research. By examining the methodology used in a previous studies, researcher can select the appropriate methods and tools for their research work. This kind of act includes understanding the strength and limitations of various approaches, which helps in designing a study that is methodologically sound. Insight from the past research can guide a decision on a data collection techniques, analytical strategies, and overall research design. Inform the medical methodology choices enhance the validity, reliability, and authenticity of your study, ensuring that your findings are robust and credible. So overall, we can say that about the literature review is a fundamental and a foundational component of research that provides the context, identifies the gaps, prevent the duplications, build the knowledge-based guides and research questions, and informs methodologies. Each of these functions is very critical for ensuring that your research work is original, relevant, and well grounded in existing knowledge. So, overall, we can say that about the informed methodologies. That means reviewing the methodologies used in a previous studies can inform the design and approach of your own research. It helps in selecting the appropriate methods and tools for data collection and analysis. Now, after discussing about the purpose and significance of literature review, next we are going to discuss about the importance of literature review in research. So basically, we talk about the literature review. We have already discussed about the concept of literature review. A literature review is a more than just a summary of existing research. It plays a very important role in shaping the direction, scope, and quality of research projects. So here's a deeper dive into why literature review are so important, so essential. So as you can see that the first one is understanding the research context. A literature review provides insight into how theories and ideas about the research topic have evolved over the time. Understanding the historical context helps the researchers appreciate the progression of knowledge and identify the foundational theories and seminal work that have influenced the field. And it is also sheds light on the current trends and development in the field. Researcher can see how the topic has been addressed recently, including any kind of shift in a perspective of emerging areas of interest. Now, second one is identify gaps in knowledge. By reviewing the existing literature, researcher can pinpoint the specific areas that have not been adequately explored or are still under debate. This kind of identification of gaps is very essential, very important for formulating a research questions, hypothesis, and address these uncharted issues. And recognizing the gaps allow the researchers to position that their study as a contribution to the field and filling a void in the existing body of knowledge. This can lead to the development of a novel research ideas or the extension of the existing theories. Now, the third one is avoiding duplications. So basically, a thorough literature review helps the researchers uh, to ensure that their work is original. By understanding what has already been studied, researcher can avoid the duplicating previous research, thus making their study distinct and valuable and unique. And it allows the researchers to build upon and refine existing studies rather than repeating them. This type of contribution to the advancement of knowledge by adding a new perspectives of or improving upon your previous findings. Now, the fourth one is establishing theoretical framework. The review of literature helps the researchers to identify and choose the theoretical framework that best support their study. Understanding the existing theories and models provides a basis of developing a new hypothesis and guiding the research design. It ensures that the research is grounded in establishing theory, making it easier to justify the research approach and methodology. A well-chosen theoretical framework helps in interpreting findings and situating the research within the broader academic discourse. Now, the fifth one is refine the research questions. The process of reviewing literature helps the refine broader research questions into a more specific and targeted inquiries. Researcher can narrow their focus to address precise aspects of the topic that have not been fully explored. And the literature review assists in developing hypotheses by identifying the patterns, relationships, and variables that have been studied before. And this refinement process is very crucial for designing a study that is both relevant and achievable. Now, the sixth one is improving the research methodology. Reviewing the past research provides insight into a various methodological and methodologies, tools, and techniques that have been employed. Researchers can learn about the strengths and weaknesses of different methods and apply the best practices to their own study. Understanding of previous research methodologies helps to avoid the common methodologies errors. Researchers can adapt the successful strategies and address the challenges encountered in earlier studies. Now, the next point is providing a comparative context. The literature review places the new research within the context of existing studies and helping the researchers to understand how their findings relate to and they differ from previous work. This comparative context enhances the interpretation and relevance of the new research. By examining a range of studies, researchers can identify trends and patterns across the different studies by contributing to a more comprehensive understanding of the topic. Now, the next one is supporting evidence and justification. A thorough literature review support the rationale for the research by demonstrating that the study addresses a significant and relevant issues. It provides evidence that the research problem is important and worth investigating. It is also help in justifying the choice of research approach, methodologies, and the data collection methods by citing a previous research. Researcher can validate their study design and methods. Now, the next one is building credibility. So, if we talk about the building a credibility, that means conducting a comprehensive literature reviews shows that the researcher is knowledgeable about the field and has a command and of the relevant literature. This enhances the credibility of rigor of research. A well-done literature review helps preemptively address potential criticism by acknowledging and addressing the previous research finding and limitations. Now, the last point is guiding data collection and analysis. So basically, the literature review helps to identify the key variables and the themes and concepts that should be considered in the research. This type of guidance about the data collection process by ensuring that the relevant aspects are measured. And reviewing the past studies inform the choice of data analysis techniques. Researchers can adopt the methods that have been successful in a similar studies and tailor them into their own research context. So overall, we can say that the literature review is not merely a preliminary step in research, but a foundational component that enhances the quality and impact of the study. It provides an essential context, identifies the research gaps, ensures the originality, and guides the methodologies, all while building a credibility and supporting the researcher's significance. A well conducted literature review strengthens the research by situating it within the broader academic landscape and ensures that it contributes meaningfully to the field. So we can say that literature review is very important and very essential for every researcher to identify the gaps in between the concept and in between the existing knowledge. Thank you.